Have you ever thought about what the greatest invention is? Cars? Phones? Pizza? Those are all great suggestions. But what about paper? You can probably see some now. When paper was first invented, it helped spread knowledge and allowed people from all over the world to communicate. It normally takes a huge factory to produce paper. But did you know you can make paper in your own living room? No? Let's make some now with help from our new friend, the Curious Bear. Luckily, the Curious Bear has created a kit with everything we'll need. Wooden mold decal, wooden roller, biodegradable sponge, 2 pieces of craft felt, dried petals, and some recycled envelopes to post your letters in. You'll also need a blender, a container, a towel, and a grown-up to help. Step 1. Use a blender to blitz up torn scraps of paper. Check with your adult that you're not tearing up anything important. You'll need at least a couple of cups of paper. Add water and start blitzing away. Check your pulp. It should be quite mushy, so add more water if you need. And remember, because blenders can be dangerous, you'll need your adult to help with this bit. Step 2. Find a big container and see if your frame will fit first. Now, pour your pulp into the container. Step 3. The Curious Bear has given us dried flowers to sprinkle in. This will make the paper extra special. Step 4. Stir the water so the pulp is moving freely. Now it's time to slide your frame head first into the mix, making sure the name is facing upwards. Lower the frame completely underwater. Step 5. Slightly lift the frame just below the surface, gently moving the flowers into the position you want. Now, lift it above the surface to let the water drain out. Step 6. Pop the frame onto a towel and lift the top of the frame. This part isn't as tricky as it looks. Flip the frame onto the towel so the mesh frame is now facing you. Step 7. Take your sponge and begin dabbing and squeezing the excess water. Keep repeating this until the water has been soaked up. You'll be able to feel it with your hand when you're done. Step 8. Carefully lift up the frame and the paper should loosen off. Pop a piece of felt on top, flip over, and add another piece of felt on top. Step 9. Using our rolling pin, flatten out the paper so there's no bumps. This also helps any remaining water to drain out. Step 10. And that's it. Remove the pieces of felt and leave your paper to dry for, how long, Bear? 24 hours. Look at our gorgeous paper. You can write special messages to your friends and family. Oh, what's this? The Curious Bear says thank you for watching. If you want to see more from the Curious Bear, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun crafts. And if you'd like your own paper making kit, check out the description. See you next time!